Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at a proof of the sine law. So just a reminder about the sine law. If we have a triangle ABC, then sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C, like that. Okay, so let's start with our triangle here, ABC. We're going to draw a line down straight the middle here so that it's perpendicular to line AC, like that. And we're going to call that line H. So from SOHCAHTOA, we notice that sine A is H over C, like that, and sine C is H over A, like that. So we're going to isolate H here by going times C, so H is C sine A, times A to both sides, so H is A sine C. H equals H, therefore C sine A equals A sine C. Divide by A to both sides, divide by C to both sides, and we get this value. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing except at a different location, down the middle of C here like this. So this line is perpendicular to the line AB, like that. So from SOHCAHTOA, sine B is H over A, and sine A is H over B, like that. We isolate H, so H is A sine B. We isolate H, so it's B sine A. H equals H, so A sine B equals B sine A. Divide by B to both sides, divide by A to both sides, and so we get sine B over B equals sine A over A. So all that together, we have sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.